So today what we've got going on here in Lake Oswego, we've got this Douglas fir here, just doing a little bit of lower maintenance pruning on this tree. We've got a large limb growing out over the driveway. And you can see that in the past they've had some lower limbs break on them. So we're wanting to try to maybe do a little preventative maintenance. After that, we've got this really beautiful white oak. That's got a large, dead, codominant limb coming all the way out over the landscape and the neighbor's property. So we're gonna go up and just piece that out gently for him. And I think that's it. So today, part of what we get to do in the business is get new equipment. So I've got the Akimbo, and it is a friction saving device. And it replaces the pressing. So let's get this back there. So what's nice about the Akimbo is that it opens up and you can set it, you run your line through it. So beautiful design, compact, great. Next is the Jet, and this is my second one. I really like the Jet step because of the dual cams here. That allows the rope to freely go up, and then you'll see that it'll grab. So I like this one a lot. It's a lot better than the Petzl foot ascender. The Petzl foot ascender only has one of these, and you oftentimes drag your rope up. It doesn't slide on your rope really well. This is a really good foot ascender. And then the chest ascender, which is great because when we're going up on single rope or even double rope, in order to bring this up with me, it's got this neat little catch here. You put this harness on, and then you have these different loops that you can clip into. So that when you want to use this, it snaps into place. I got it upside down. And see, that's also too, what I like about it too, is that once, this just merely just holds it, and then as you go up, it's bringing it up with you, and then you can set into it. Oftentimes, you're having to pull that slack out like this through that line. So we'll do another video with this all set up, and we'll take a look at how it works. That's good to say, dude. I'm getting ready to go up there. That's great. You're in, bro. Oh yeah, one more time. So, go ahead and So we have a Japanese maple that we're going to be doing some pruning today. What I like to try to do with the Japanese maples is begin to start creating some layering and some spacing between the more predominant branches to kind of expose this really beautiful branch work. So when we see some branches that are kind of coming in between two, we see a nice lateral here, but another branch, we're going to try to just open that up, get a little more air and light into this canopy, and I think it's going to look fantastic.